kingdom, and this palace has existed for over 400 years. Oh yes. We have laid down traditions instituted by our ancestors. Yes, if you go behind this palace, you will see the Ukwabochi shrine, instituted by our forefathers. And it's strictly for laws governing this palace. Yes. We have certain laws that guide our morality. Yes. So while you are here, you have to conform with the law. Oh yes. No loitering around, especially at night. Oh yes. No criminality. Prostitution. You zip up. Oh yes. While you are here, zip up. It is forbidden for any of you to loiter around, especially at night. This law is not just for you, it is for everybody, the entire household, including my children. So, you must have to comply. If you comply, do your duties very well, you'll be rewarded handsomely at the end of the day.
I hope you heard him well.
Anytime I see you, I just dey happy. I like the way you take to use joy, take to do your work. It dey remind me of my doings before. You know, say before when I come this palace, now only me dey do all this work. I go wash car, I go sweep, I go open gate, I go buy something. Only me, I mean they run everything. You understand? So as when I come now, they just carry all my problem give you now. So that I make now come like say the problem now all your hair don't they enter inside now. You don't they get bad hair because of this thing they wash.
Sir, I don't understand. Which kind of salt be that one now?
Go see all your hair don't chop. You know they say now too much sun. Now you don't they give you bad hair. Now you don't be like Wolverine.
Oh, because they give me more to make I wash. You dey happy, abi?
I'm not go happy.
You think say na you're right.
Okay.
Hey, see, make I shock you. You see this thing why they do so? And they do exercise. You see as you dey there, you sit down like mumu, run. You see your belly, the way they run, they big like that. What do they do here every day now? You sit down there, you chop morning, afternoon, and night. Before you know your belly go burst.
Who tells now what they do with that? You don't know say you get all that things when they look. What do they talk? I better stop that before you wear to match with the car. Everything about you now white and black, even the car now white and you and the car even top past you.
Sir, no insult you.
I know they insult you. I just imagine if you dey drive, how you tell they see what's in the front.
You go add road safety that one. Che.
You never finish the washing.
I don't almost finish you. I don't almost finish. Yes, sir.
Hey God, Not one person don't go see police palace. Who be this one? Inspector. No, inspector tant. What do you feel like now? No, you dey feel like you just carry your hand, fold for back like fashion where they find camera for Lekki toll gate. No, they ask you.
Be welcome. It's like they no train you well, abi.
How?
Your papa no train you well. So you no get respect for elders, abi.
Elders? I get respect for elders now. But now for elders where you you see your chain. Be like with that chain, I ain't go pee your skin. See your plenty color of cloth. Even your cap self no balance well for the head. Not be say they no sew the cap well. Now your head now you shift the cap. Your cap is looking like coffin where they no nail wear. Just see your head. Eh? And they thought you still fold hand. You don't fold hand. Fashola. Can you just imagine? It's the movement for me.
I'm not feeling to like it. You need to go and go start work again. Na that man now.
I don't know. Once they just give you a small item, they will just give you one.
Sai?
What's up?
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Ooh. Okay, guys. So I should start cooking in 20 minutes. So I'll be giving you 10 minutes to finish up. Is that okay?
It's okay.
All right.
Chef Bowl.
Oh, great. Oh, listen. Why don't you focus on this side? Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I'll see you guys later, okay? Okay. 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Amara, what is it? This chef is too handsome.
Hey. Can you learn to focus on your duty? The chef is so handsome. Do not implicate me. My friend, will you go back to your duty?
Sorry.
You better hurry up. Uloma. Well, you heard what he said. He'll be right back in the next 10 minutes. So, be fast. Be right back. What is it? Focus on your job.
Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of pain. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. Turn on somebody in the palace, this palace. Turn on somebody in the palace. Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slave queen, yeah.
The princesses are so beautiful. Just like me. Chai! My village princesses are fine, oh. They are fine.
Ate, all the princesses are so beautiful. Just like me. My village princesses are fine, oh. They are fine. My dear, you wish. Oh, you wish. My dear, you wish. Wake up to your reality because you are not beautiful. In fact, you are ugly.
See, they are queens.
I prefer the eldest. She is extremely classy and clean. I even call her stainless. Stainless.
I'll go for the younger one. She is more beautiful.
Okay, listen up, girls. They are both beautiful. But I think Uloma is right on this one.
100%.
I like them both. God, I wish I am a princess. I wish, oh my God.
No, you wish you are a princess. It's not only princess you wish to be. You will become the chief priestess.
Oh, please tell her.
Even in your wildest dream. Look, let me tell you something. If I wake up from sleep and I see your face in the morning, my dear sister, I'll go back to sleep. I'll go back to sleep.
Oh, my princess.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. Has any one of you seen my father? He's not in, neither is in the guest ball.
No, my princess.
Oh, where could he have gone to? Meanwhile, I love your outfits. It's extremely beautiful and colorful as well.
Thank you.
Okay. What's that your name?
Uloma, my princess.
Come with me. Now.
My princess.
Hi. She did not choose me. She chose Uloma.
Wait, English. What is that? Oh, please, not Gasbell. It's called Gasbell. Don't insult me, you.
Do not bear. Case bear.
Oh, please. Ogechi, what is wrong with you? I understand that you grew up in your mother's place, Akwa Ibom. But please, can you stop chipping in that Akwa Ibom accent?
There is something particular about this girl.
She behaves creepy. Let it not be what I'm thinking, because if not, why not? Back to what I was saying. Now that you spoke good English, how do you feel? Huh?
You cannot tell me when to speak my mother's tongue. It is not my fault that I grew up in Akwa Ibom State. I will speak my mother's tongue because that is where I grew up from.
Oh, Lodo, common sense not even common at all. Your mother's tongue is actually your father's tongue, not your mother's tongue. It's called L1.
English. You two know something.
Oh, please excuse me.
It's my mother's tongue. It's not my father's tongue. My father did not born me. It's my mother that born me there.
Can you stop chipping it in? Speak good English.
Gesberg. Gesberg.
Gesberg.
Gesberg.
Gesberg.
Gesberg.
Gesberg.
Gesberg.
Be very, very careful. Don't insult me. Nneka, be very, very careful. You want to start giving me sign. Don't touch me. Giving me sign. Be careful. Don't follow me. Be careful. You are shouting. You don't shout. Careful.
Leverage is a 1 year. It's almost 20 minutes I came back asking for food. Huh? Norma. Ga again. This one you are catwalking. Where is the food? Why does it take you long to give me food to eat?
Oh, I'm catwalking. No, I'm not only catwalking. I'm dog walking. What do you want me to do? Will I kill myself for you? I told you not to send Ulama to the palace, but you refused. You supported her to go there. Since morning, I sent Ekene to go and fetch me water. Ekene has not come back since then. I've gone to fetch firewood, and I came back, I didn't see Ekene.
Oh. Because Ekene did not fetch water in this house, so I should not die of hunger. In Akowa, in Asisi, Agoyabum, or in Eku.
Am I supposed to cook with sand? Am I supposed to cook with sand? Ichoki wom nuna. Or who shall cook wom nuna? Na baba, na wait. Wait for me. When I am done preparing the food, I will serve you food.
No. Am I the one marrying her or she's the one marrying me? Women.
Is this what the security situation of this country has degenerated to? Kidnap here and there? I mean, who have we offended that they chose to attack my children that just came back from abroad? Are you sure we are still safe in this country, my king? I am so worried about my children. Honestly, I am worried. I'm worried about the safety of my children.
Ikwotumodu, the 50th of Obodogo Kingdom. Okalamada Okalamu. Half man, half spirit. No. My enemies will not get at me. It is going to be a total shutdown. A holiday. No one goes out. No one comes in.
My king, what do you mean by that?
is right, the way you behave. Oh my dear, my dear. Oh my dear, my dear. You think it's right, the way you behave. You think it's right, the way you behave. Oh my dear, oh my dear.
Silas! Oh! Silas! Oh! Are you alright? I just saw you talking to yourself.
I mean, I best ready alright.
Have you gone mad?
Never go mad. I won't get bad dream when I get to.
A dream?
The dream not really clear like that. Trouble like something just they appear they.
Yeah, but it was only a dream. Silas!
Waiting.
Silas!
Waiting now.
Silas!
Waiting!
Oh, my queen. My gorgeous queen. Oh, my friend, I've missed you.
I've missed you too. Look at you. You're looking so beautiful.
You can say that again.
So how long have you been in the palace?
Not quite long. I'm just coming in.
Oh,
Yes, my queen.
please do sit.
All right, thank you. So, my queen. So, thank you. So tell me, how are my princesses? I've really missed them. They're very fine. Really? Yeah. Can I see them? Of course.
Excuse me, ladies. I must take my leave.
It's okay. I can. So how are my princesses? I've really missed them. They are doing good. Can I see them? Of course you can.
Thelma! Thelma! Thelma? Mom? Oh, she will soon be here.
All right, my queen. You're looking gorgeous.
You too. Look at you.
Oh my
Oh, here she is.
Look at Thelma. Hello there. Come here.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, she's grown.
Thank you.
How about your elder sister?
She's alright, she's upstairs.
All right, my dear.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, you have to excuse me.
All right, are you going out?
No, not really, just want to do something.
All right, dear.
Alright.
You think it's right, the way you behave. You think it's right, the way you behave. Oh my dear, my dear. Oh my dear, my dear.
I must confess that A beautiful environment we've got down here. Although things have greatly changed. But we'll make do with what we have. Of course. And yes, I forget. We'll be going to see a friend of ours, my sister and I, in the neighboring town. And afterwards, we'll go see a movie.
No, my darling, no way.
Why is that?
I'm not going to let you go out. We have a security situation in the country right now.
What are you talking about?
Especially down here in the east. So, I'll let you go out.
What exactly are you talking about, Dad? We will be going with the gods. And of course, Desmond will also be going with us.
Gods? With sticks and knives? No way. No. See, you relax here. Anything you want is provided here in the palace. If you want to watch a movie, we'll provide it for you here.
Daddy, I'll just take it that you're just joking with me because you're about to ruin my mood.
Don't too serious. You're not going out.
Oh, wait, Dad. I want to get something right. Is this how we're going to spend our holiday in Nigeria? Restricted?
Sweetie, holiday in the palace.
That's not happening, Dad. This is totally unfair. I don't like...
Bear with me, sweetie.
He's such a cute guy. Oh, African is blessed with lots of cute guys. I'm so blessed to come from this continent. Look at how cute he is.
I'm getting so paranoid.
What is it?
It's Dad, of course. He wouldn't let us go see movies. We are obviously stuck in here.
This is really serious.
It is. And he had to push the blame on the security system of the country. That the country is so bad we can't go out. I don't get it.
I think we should sit on a round table and talk more about this. Because I can't afford not to club. I need to meet new friends in Nigeria.
I'm so pissed.
That should get this.
She's on a mission. She has interior motives. She's not what you thought she is. She's a friendly friend. She's clothed with many colors, many colors. What unfriendly friend? A wolf in sheep clothing.
Mother? You're welcome, Mother.
My princess. Ah, my angel. I've missed you.
Missed you, Mother.
Look at my angel. Sit. My angel.
Mother.
It has just started. We are here to stay. The royal home belongs to us.
Mr. Silas, do you do drugs?
What kind of stupid question be that?
No, but seriously, do you do drugs? Because if you don't do drugs, why are you having such dreams? Huh?
Well, I know what I see you. I know what I see you. Thing look real.
No, but I don't believe you. I don't believe you because you can't possibly say you saw a ghost in the palace. That's unbelievable. I think you need to stop doing drugs. Besides, the other day you told me you were having sex with some fat women. You need to stop seeing those women. Maybe that is why you're having all these bad dreams.
See who they talk. Advisor Wamagbe. See who they talk. You say we don't know your story. You will be green snake all the green grass. You will carry bola and make me. They tell me say they put your money. I better just talk on that thing if you want to talk on that thing.
Excuse me, what's bola? It sounded funny. That was why.
I better go come on here. Go stop me. I know it. I tell you say I know what I see. You talk say this thing.
Mr. Silas, for the last time, stop doing drugs. You are hallucinating. So you need to stop doing drugs. If you do drugs, you need to stop.
Wait, what you say not true? So all those fat things why they carry now make me the dream. No, I know what I see. It's so real.
What are you saying? Where's that boy Ekene? Where did you say he went to?
Nai, where do you normally go to when you were at Ekene's age? Where? If you know, remember that place, probably that's where he went to.
Okay, has he done all you asked him to do?
You're saying if he has done all I asked him to do?
Yes.
You will ask me if he has done anyone. Fetch water, Mba. Fetch firewood, Olo. Sweep the house, Babu.
Hey, come here. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from, Ekene? Now listen to me, Ekene. If your mother ever asks you to go and fetch water and you refuse, I will get all those your nonsense big boy cloth, including this your bante, and burn all of them. Yes! I will burn all of them.
Mama, did you tell Papa that I refuse to fetch water in this house?
I told your father that you refused to fetch sand for me.
Now listen to me. Let me give you the last warning. You cannot be in my house, eating from my pot, and you are here doing big boy. I will not warn you again, because you will not like what I will do to you again.
Papa, thank you. I've had you.
Obedient, this is getting out of hand. You see,
Did you remember when I told you not to allow Uloma to go and work in the palace? You told me that if she passes her interview, that she will work there, full stop. That was the full stop then. Now is the question mark. Face it.
Is that all you have to say? Obedient, is that all you have to say? Okay. But not in my house here. Not in my house.
due to the security situation in the country, especially the kidnapping activities going on in our neighboring town, it's a threat to our lives. Igwe the fifth of Oboduku Kingdom. I fear no one. But for the safety of you people, I hereby declare a holiday in the palace. There is enough to eat, enough to drink. No one goes out, no one comes in. You may now leave.
You think it's right the way you behave. You think it's right the way you behave. Oh my dear, my dear. Oh my dear, my dear.
Hey you. What's your name? Chef.
Sir?
Your name?
My name?
Yeah, what's your name?
My name?
What's your name?
Oh, my name? Paul.
Paul who?
Paul Walker.
Paul what? You say Paul Walker, Walker. Hey, you shut up. I'm not asking you. What does that mean?
Sir?
What does that mean?
Oh, I walk on water.
You walk on water like, I don't understand.
My prince, you just be like that drink now, Johnny Walker now. You never walk alone.
Hey,
like Walker now.
Water is different from Johnny Walker.
Oh, whatever. And you, parrot, what's your own name? What's your name?
No, as you say parrot, that made me no really answer you. My name is Silas. Silas Slayer.
Silas what?
Slayer.
Slayer. No be Slayer. No go change my papa name. Slayer, as in slay mama. All those slay mama you dey carry now, Slayer. So anybody will try me, I slay the person.
Slay queens. He slays queens.
And who bears such name here in Nigeria? Huh?
Sir?
And who bears such name here in Nigeria?
My prince, na name where our papa give us.
Give you?
Yeah, give me.
You guys are not from my town. Yeah, your names are not sounding sensible. I mean your second name. It sounded like the names from the bushes.
My prince, with all due respect now, you don't enter insult.
My prince, are you in any way insulting us?
No, they insult our papa now. Don't be like that now.
Fine. I called this meeting to inform you both that I'm very, very dangerous. Yeah, I can pull your balls and feed them to the hungry dogs in my house.
Our balls?
Yeah, your balls, I can pull them.
You mean our testicles?
Yeah, your balls, your dick. I can pull them and feed them to my dogs.
My prince, why you not just go fast food, go buy all this dog food, give dog? You understand? Why you go carry our balls? How many
you?
Small balls.
Or you come anywhere close to my sisters. I mean my beautiful sisters. I don't joke. I don't laugh. I don't even smile when it comes to my beautiful sisters.
Okay, now I understand what
it is better you quit your job than I see you standing or smiling anywhere close to them.
Okay, I understand.
Am I understood?
Yes, my prince, I understand you.
I said I don't want you close to my sisters.
Yes. You can be deadly and dangerous when it comes to your sisters.
Fine.
Oh, okay, I understand.
Slayer? What did I say?
I don't want you close to my sister.
I said I don't want you close to my sisters, my own sisters. I don't want you close to them. Repeat what I just said.
I don't want you close to my sisters. I said repeat what I just said.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Paul.
Pause.
Tell him what I just said.
Sir?
Tell him what I said.
Tell him what I said.
He said he doesn't want you close to his sisters.
Not be the same thing that they talk.
Are you deaf?
I hear you now. You say repeat what I just said. I need 20 talk. Not be
I said I don't want you close to my sisters.
I said I don't want you close to my sisters.
I have told him, sir.
What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
What's going on?
What's going on?
Damn.
Damn.
Hell.
Silas!
What's happening? Are you alright?
You see, man, repeat after me.
Do you want to get sacked?
You know what? You know what?
Leave.
Leave.
Just leave my presence.
Just leave my presence.
Thank you, sir.
I said leave. I said leave. What the fuck is wrong with you? Are you crazy?
Are you crazy?
Why are you taking my liquor? Why are you taking my liquor?
Silas.
Paul.
Silas.
Paul.
Do you want to get fired?
Fired as in how?
Huh?
You know you're with the prince talk.
No. You didn't understand him.
Tell me.
He said he doesn't want you close to his sisters.
Nobody I talk.
That he could be dangerous.
I'm not saying dangerous. I mean, am I not dangerous? Everybody is dangerous now. Who know they're dangerous? They
Wait, do you want to get fired? Listen, I don't have another job.
What's it that worry you?
I don't have another job.
Now what's your problem? You like saying now you read to know book. Somebody say repeat after me and I repeat after her. What's it come with the problem? If I make I just tell you. I don't want to see you anywhere close to my gate. I don't want to see you anywhere close to my gate.
What does that mean?
I don't tell you.
Wait, you're trying to lock me inside?
How?
Against my will?
How?
Okay, you're trying to kidnap me.
I don't want to see you anywhere close to my gate. Yes. Even you say I don't want you close to my gate.
Come and eat food now.
While I done day, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To handsome boy in the palace, this palace. To handsome boy in the palace. Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slave queen, yeah. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To handsome boy in the palace. To handsome boy in the palace. Hey, Paul Walker, Paul and Silas, you wahala too much. Yeah, you wahala.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Okay, can you please help me with the cutlery?
Cutlery. Oh, sure. There you go.
You're a good cook.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Just let me know if you need anything.
It's okay.
While I done day, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To handsome boy in the palace, this palace. To handsome boy in the palace. Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slave queen, yeah. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To handsome boy in the palace. To handsome boy in the palace. Hey, Paul Walker, Paul and Silas, you wahala too much. Yeah, you wahala too much. Silas the slayer. To handsome boys in the palace, where they like slaves. To handsome boy in the palace. Paul Walker, a very good chief chef. You know they take eyes, see sweet baby, oh. A chef with different. Paul Walker, Silence, yo. Take a easy. You wahala too much, yo. Silent slayer, you too like potato, but you're broken in a trouble for this balance. Some like them like that, they sweet them for head, but you they give trouble, sure. While I don't day, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To handsome boy in the palace, this palace. To handsome boy in the palace. Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slave queen, yeah. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. Two handsome boys in the palace, two handsome boys in the palace. For security reasons, in the country, everybody must be inside, not outside. Anything you want is inside this palace. You can take your Snapchat, you can swim if you wish. It's for your safety. The king has spoken. For more information, meet Paul and Silas. Anything you need, meet Paul and Silas. For more information, meet Paul and Silas. Anything you need, meet Paul and Silas. If you want to eat food, meet Paul and Silas. If you want to have fun, meet Paul and Silas.
Hi, sugar. My sweetheart. My baby boo. The man after my heart. My better half. My sugar plum. The only man that gives me butterflies in my stomach. Baby, I miss you so much. But why didn't you tell me you were coming? I mean, I should be the first to know that you're in town. Of course. But anyways, that's not a problem. I am not upset with you. I forgive you. Right now, I'm not in town, but I'm coming back soon. I'm coming to spend some holidays in the palace. And trust me, we're going to turn the palace red. We're going to turn it upside down. I mean, my baby's in town. I can't wait to see you, baby. I just can't wait. I love you so much, baby. And I just can't wait to see you. I'm coming right away to the palace the moment I'm back, okay? You take care of you, baby. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Whatever happened between us remains in the past. We are in the present.
Your Majesty, there is no present without the past. How could you? How could you be so heartless to lay with a woman and she has a child for you? Your Highness, here you are telling her to forget the past. Why the past still lives? Who does that?
My name is at stake here. I've arranged for you and your child to be flown overseas. Just so you've buried the past. What else do you want?
I am not interested. Your Majesty, I want you. I need more of you. I need royalty. I need sex. Come. Come close to me. I need sex. I need more sex, Your Highness.
guy is pissing me off. I'm so mad at him. I mean, why would he place an order that none of us should leave the palace? Come on, man, that was never the plan.
Yeah, my prince. It was never the plan, my prince. You know, but here's the king.
An autocratic king? What is even wrong with all these African kings, for Christ's sake? I'm a full-grown man. Am I not grown?
You're a grown
I'm
man.
grown. Come on. Listen,
my prince.
do you remember those places you do take me to? I longed for it now. Yeah, my nigga, I longed
my
for
prince.
Like, I want those sexy girls, those clean, comfy girls around me right now. Like, I just want them to lick me.
My prince.
Change, you know, come on, man.
I'm a fan of like my prince. Well, I have an idea for you, my prince. I have an idea as a plan B.
Plan B?
Yes, my prince.
What is it like?
Check out the Maidians. The Maidians, my prince.
The Maidens?
Forgive him now, what? You forget.
Come on, man, that's shit.
My prince.
Don't talk about that. How can you say those girls are smelling? What are you saying?
Did you see that? These girls will do anything to have you, my prince. Huh? My prince, you have a royal blood. Huh? These women are beautiful.
You're such a bad guy. You're a bad guy,
prince.
Damn.
My prince, like an ever.
And I've been busy stressing my head.
Yourself.
I've been busy stressing my head.
My prince, see, there's even one of the minions I'm putting an eye for in this palace. And that's one fine minion.
Yeah, she stays here. She's one of the maidens here.
Look at that beauty. This girl is so beautiful.
I would really love to learn this your unique language. I like it.
Oh, you mean the pidgin English where they blow? Eh! What do you want you to do now? You want make I teach you?
I honestly do love it.
I go teach you. That not be anything. You don't understand? I will give you all the lyrics, all the phone, everything. You know, I've even carry my brain, put for your brain. Anything where you want, my prince, I go do it for you one time.
You are really funny.
Thank you.
Okay, I want to go out. I want to go out, look around the village, see people, you know, see how the town looks like.
Okay, that's wait now, my princess. Now next year, now you won't go.
I'm going now.
No, you don't go fit go now. You don't forget to tell your papa talk. You don't go fit leave the palace now. Everything where you dey do now, here you go dey do.
But I'm going with my maiden.
Which maiden?
I'm not going alone.
My princess, you dey go alone. Which maiden you dey talk? Because I dey see now only you I dey see. This one I made it. This one I made it. No even dey there. This one why I see you for backyard they put pants. In short, that one another story for another day. You don't get made in. If anything sets now, what go happen to you?
I honestly do not understand this.
Even me too, I don't understand that. But you cannot go now. You not go figure
it. The restriction is becoming way too much. I don't understand it.
Okay.
I need to go out, see the town, meet people.
That's right.
Do you understand?
I understand.
I don't want my holiday to be restricted like this. It doesn't go down well with me.
Yes.
I can't be here.
Yes, I agree with you. Because if the way you did explain that to me now, you realize I don't understand. I'm very, very understanding. I understand what you talk. But if you ask me who, I go ask. Now, Papa, you will go ask that question. My princess, sorry to say, you no go feel come out. Anything where you want, they inside this palace.
Silas, I want to go out.
No, my princess, you no go out. You no go. Everything you want, they inside this palace. Swimming pool there. You fit go do Snapchat video under that tree. Tell them this one you no get work. Maybe they snap you. Just they take.
That is not what I want. I've been here for a long time. I need to meet other people. Do you understand?
You no go fit meet other people. You don't understand. That your papa
oh
bring you
I am